What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack's Polygonians. Nice little bounce here with our reversal double bottom that we talked about forming yesterday. We're sitting at 162. We're up almost 5% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 11.12 billion. 24-hour volume 998 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, they recently bought the Staples Center. It's the world's fastest crypto growing app. You can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto. Free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 in their native coin Crow, which has been absolutely exploding with their marketing team right now and with all the incredible marketing they've been doing. They recently acquired the Staples Center. I think that's really cool, guys. So we're going to start here on the 4-hour time frame. So I talked about us creating that lower low. I said if we see us create a lower low, what's going to happen is we're going to create a higher low on the RSI. We're going to create a bullish divergence, and we're likely to see a bounce here. And that's exactly what happened. We created a bit of a lower low bullish divergence, and we bounced. So if we can come up and break this neckline, our target is here at 182. Now, if you've been using our DCA trading strategy, your average price is sitting right around 163. So you're almost break even. Now, I do have a take profit zone here at 170. However, personally, I would probably skip that take profit zone and wait for 182, just because from 163, it's about a 4% trade, and simply been waiting too long to only get a 4% return. In my opinion, you're looking about 11% trade here at 182. So personally, I'd probably wait for that 182 price target. Now, we are just having the bullish cross on the 4-hour MACD, which is a strong side of continuation. We had the bullish cross right here. Beautiful pump, bullish cross. We had a beautiful pump right here as well. So a good thing to keep eye on. So a good thing to keep an eye on is the MACD here on the 4-hour. We beautifully came down to 149 once again. So if you use that buy zone once again, you brought your average price down even more. But let's jump into Matic here on the daily time frame. So we went through our ABC correction, guys. We came up to the 0.786. We went A, B, C, down to the golden ratio, and we're looking good for continuation. These corrections are healthy. I know sometimes they're difficult to watch. That's why dollar cost averaging is such an amazing trading strategy, because you almost want price to drop to get more money into your trade and ride the slingshot back up. So as long as we hold this level of support, it's key that we get back above the EMAs, the 55 and the 20 EMA on the daily. If you can see us get back above, that is a really strong sign that we're going to start heading up to our all-time high at 270. And our next price target at the 1.272 at 405. Of course, we have our bull run targets based off our Elliott wave theory. The 1.618 coming in at 677. And we have our dream price at 1181, which is the 2 extension here for Matic. If we pop over to the weekly time frame, I know it's a bit congested here, but we can see here on the weekly time frame, we wicked right down to the 20 EMA and we bounced. So that's also a strong sign that we're going to see a move to the upside. It's not promise, guys, just technical analysis. Just remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. So we're going to go over Ethereum, guys. So we perfectly bounced off this previous swing high. So keep a close eye on this previous swing high. Gives us a beautiful opportunity to bounce. And that's what we've seen here. We created that bullish divergence for Ethereum as well. Now, I wouldn't quite say that this is a double bottom, but we do have a bit of a descending Browning wedge, which is a bullish pattern, guys. And the target is the top of your wedge here, which we've almost met already, coming in at about 4.375. Now, the major test here for Ethereum, in my opinion, is the previous all-time high. You can see here the previous all-time high. It's coming in at about 4.411. We need to break above that if we're going to see continuation. Will also get us back above the 20 EMA on the daily, which is a very healthy sign, strong sign for continuation. You can see here we broke back above the EMAs. We saw a nice juicy pump right here as well. We broke back above the EMAs, juicy pump. So if we can get back above the EMAs on the daily, that's when we can head up to 5731. But if we come up and we get rejected by the previous all-time high and we roll, that's when we can see that ABC correction. It's a bit more unlikely in my opinion, but it's always a possibility, guys. Anything is possible in the crypto game. So do watch the previous all-time high. If we break above it, we're looking really, really strong, guys, in my opinion. So we'll finish off the video here with Matic. If we break our neckline from our double bottom, your target's all the way up at 183, close to our next take profit zone. We also have a take profit zone at 196 and close to the previous all-time high at 222. All right, guys, just for reference, not financial advice. If we come up though and we get rejected by the EMAs, do watch 159. See all this resistance in this area will be flipped to support, And then of course 149, which was our bottom. But it looks like to me that we're bottoming out here at 149. We're seeing our reversal pattern. As long as we get back above the EMAs, we're good to go. In my opinion. I said in my opinion way too many times. So that's basically it for this one. Our bull run targets for Ethereum are 8,000 up at the 1.618 and the dream price at 11,377. Quick shout out to the Discord. Over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, posting videos from other creators like CoinSkid, one of the best on YouTube in my opinion. Definitely recommend checking out his channel. We're posting chart patterns. We're posting funny little memes, all kinds of goodies, guys. It's the price of a coffee. You really can't beat it. You can sign up through the Patreon. You can follow me on IG if you'd like to, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.